One of the loveliest things about living in Jacksonville is being caught by the train. I do like the sound of the trains at night. Sometimes when I'm listening to Larry Lafferty in the morning, you could hear trains going by in his community. And not this train track, but there is a train track over near where my house is, so I hear that at night. And when I was young, I lived in a small community in West Virginia, and we lived near the train tracks when I was in elementary school. And when I moved back out to the country after that, I really missed the trains. So now that, I'm way beyond elementary school, let's just say that, I like the sound of the trains at night when it's really quiet. I live in a city of 1 million people, so it does take the middle of the night to hear the train whistle because it's usually not quiet. In fact, every 2 to 3 days there's sirens for something or another, either on the road or in the neighborhood, and I live on a quiet street. It's not, it's a little dead-end street, but it's very quiet normally, not a lot of traffic through. Some people will come through because they get lost. I gotta still turn around, the train has stopped. Some people don't like to wait on the train. It's not very hopeful when it's stopped like this. But I do enjoy living near train tracks. There's not really, in Jacksonville, there's not really a neighborhood that's on the wrong side of the tracks that has railroad tracks in it. Oh, it's backing up. Oh, joy. Of course, there's some graffiti. I have no idea what that graffiti means. The crystals that I filmed the other day that had the kid running up and grabbing change, that crystal's closed, and they put graffiti all over the plyboard, and then they painted over it. So we have temporary graffiti. Of course, since this is graffiti's on a train, it could have been painted on anywhere. When you have 3 like that in a row, those cars have been together for a while. But it's interesting. I guess he's completely backing up to clear the intersection. I don't know what is going on. That's the thing about trains, you just don't know. Ran for 3 or 4 minutes. Now he's backing up. There's another person that decided to leave. Well, I'm gonna turn on the radio and enjoy the music. Have a wonderful day, everybody. And, if you get blocked by something in life today, don't get upset. Somebody's a jerk to you. You got somebody in your life that loves to hate you. Just laugh it off. All right. There is the engine, so we'll be going soon. So I'm going to say have a wonderful and blessed day and turn on the music and get going.